This small area right here between the window and the front door is the only place in this house that we can fit a little dining table. So we have to be very careful when we are buying furniture that it's not going to be too big for the space. And I had the opportunity to partner with Garvee, and they gifted me a new dining table that I think is going to work really well in this space. So we are going to put it together and set it on up so we have somewhere to eat.
I was both super excited and grateful to be receiving this table to try out. We had been overdue for a new one for quite some time. And if you've ever lived in a small space before, you know how hard it is to find pieces of furniture that will actually work for your little area. Our old table had 2 seats and a bench, which I thought was going to be amazing. However, our kids like the chairs, and the bench really wasn't big enough for 2 adults to sit on.
This honestly looks amazing, and we can bring it out a little bit when we are going to go eat, so it's not as tight to the wall. But the chairs are great, and it's a perfect size, and it's easy to move around too, which is great. Okay, so a couple of my favorite features about the chairs is, number one, this padding is really durable. It's like a faux leather almost, like a vinyl. And the chair itself on the back is actually arched, and our old ones weren't like that. So you'll actually be a little bit more comfortable when you're sitting. Between the arch and then the comfy padding, you'll definitely have a nicer seat than we had before. This part right here is actually twice the thickness of our old table, so it feels a lot more durable than our last one too. I want you to have a look at these leg spindles. These are awesome. I love the design. It's a really strong metal material, and it's super sturdy. When you move the table around, when you slide it around, like, it doesn't shake or anything. It's really solid. Another favorite feature that I love is the area between the frame and the table. This tabletop is sitting on dowels here, and it creates a space right here, which I have kids and I love this for cleaning. I also think it's a really nice aesthetic, but functionality wise, I think it's a very smart idea. The black wood grain style finish gives it a really modern look.
Quality feels really durable and amazing, a lot better than our last set, so I'm excited about this.
One of the other things I really appreciate about the table is the aesthetic and the style of it. This is a really nice wood grain style, and the chairs have the same aesthetic. So you can tell it's a set and they go together, which is awesome. This table fits perfectly into our small space, and it's nice because we can still have that proper dining table feel for our kids.
If you're trying to maximize a smaller dining area without sacrificing style, this one is definitely worth a look.